Take that scout on the side. Get it on, don't go.
Hold on to the yellow bar. You're going to twist it one way. And twist it the other way. And you guys can put it down. Does that mean we're all done with that belt? Oh, no, it's good. It's fine. You just got to twist it. You're fine. All right, grab that one. Right the belt. And try to put that on.
He's in the way, man.
Aren't they wrong, Mom?
What do you mean, are they wrong?
Like the belt. Are they wrong?
Leave it alone. Caleb. 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 Caleb.
Somebody got a what?
A white, black belt. A white and black stripe. A black stripe.
Is that black? Are you sure it's not brown? That's what you get after the red stripe? Cool.
Actually, you're supposed to get purple. That's purple then.
Okay, then it's purple. How come you know all the orders?
It's up there.
They're painted on the wall.
But are they painted in that order, though?
Yep.
Yeah.
No,
It
'cause
should be
it's-
green.
They're right
Yeah.
there,
The little
too.
dragons go differently.
Yeah. Okay, so there you go. See?
It goes red to black and then to full yellow.
And then full yellow. Okay, thank you. So it is black, Kara. You're right. It goes red to black, and then it goes to full yellow. And then it goes into that order. Because I'm like, because I'm looking at it, I'm like,
Ready, everyone, ski?
he's wearing the black.
That's it. Everybody good. Grab that stuff. Grab your belt. Everybody in ski. Everybody do one big bow. Ready? Big bow us. Give them a hand, guys.
I got 3 medals.
Whoever practices karate.
Good job,
Stay
dude.
here. Stay here, because I want to take a picture. Ready?
Proud of you, man. Hold that up and show Mom. Get a picture of it. Take your yellow belt. Just hold that in the other hand.
Hi.
Let's stand back on the mats for a minute. Let me get a picture. See it?
Stand up, guys.
Put your paper down just a tiny bit. There you go.